everybody, I'm back for a quick little unboxing video. I had two things arrive today. One of them is from Connie at Porter Pieces, and let's see what we got. I ordered a couple of stencils. Oh, there we are. I ordered a set of stencils, these. So just so everyone knows for information, I'll hold the card right here. It's porterpieces.com. Oh, that's new. She must have her own webpage. Or etsy.com/shop/porterpieces. Okay. If you look, I ordered her new alphabet stencils. There's your uppercase letters. Ooh, I've got way too much stuff on the table. Here are her uppercase letters, A through Z, plus the exclamation point, the question mark, and the $sign. And here are the lowercase letters. So I ordered those. I got this one. This is kind of her back to school sort of stencil. There's a pencil where you can make, you know, headers and footers. There's a cute paper clip. This is like a clipboard. There's a book. That would be for an envelope. Here's a tab or an arrow, and then a banner. And I got one more. This one looks, here, I'll hold it in my hand like that, like it would fit perfectly in the vertical Erin Condren and like the Happy Planner, things like that, where you can create different tabs, and you've got some flags and some little hexagons, and then the medium-sized boxes. Or if you wanted to combine the two, you could make a larger box. So that's what I got from Connie at Porter Pieces. I will link her information down below, but here's her card if you want to freeze frame and then write that information down. Okay, so that's from Connie. And then this came from Jet Pens. I think I had warned in the last video that I had something coming. And again, there's their business card, or the Chic Sparrow business card at least. And again, save this extra elastic in case you need it for your notebook. But what we have here is the beautiful Pemberley leather, just the same leather that I got from Jet Pens the last time in the Bella Black, except this is the gray. This is the, what they call the Castle Rock. And you'll see it has black stitching and black elastic, and it is the deluxe. Oops, I bumped you. I'm so sorry. This is the Deluxe Castle Rock. And the reason I got it is after setting up this beautiful Bella, it made me want my pocket in the Gemini leather in the London Fog. This London Fog color is amazing. And I love this leather, and I so wish they made these again, because I would get one of these in the deluxe. Mine, you can see, is in the classic with a riveted pen loop. So I wanted something similar to it. You can see they're quite different grays. This one has more like blues in it, and this one is just a different leather and a different gray and a different treatment. It's the gray Mr. Darcy that's been worked on in the factory. So let me set this up real quick. I've got a new monthly calendar that I made for myself in the pocket. This is a pocket or field note size. And it's just like the one I have in my personal, where I have the Piki-Dori month, and then I have the design made my day little flip out part. And I do have a video about that. I'll link that down. Here's my Cocoa Daisy, my passport March insert. Then I have here, this is a folder by Taroko Shop in the craft text material, but in a black. This is a Tomoe River dot grid that I have for notes. And the last elastic I have, this is the field note size, zipper pouch with cards, some cash in there, and then this is just a grid insert that I've made through Piki-Dori Designs to keep track of bills and expenses. And then there's my writing board from Taroko Shop, which should fit right back there. And there's my little pen. So I just wanted to show you very quickly a couple of items that I had arrived today that I'm super excited that are here. Let me zoom in so you can get a better look at the lovely texture on this leather. I don't know why, but it reminds me of like an elephant's skin. It's very cool. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. I will link everything here, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.